Lindsay with Dear Lindsay, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, please hit that subscribe button in this corner and the bell for notifications when I post new videos. Don't mind our box. Weston made that contraption. But in today's video, I will be sharing clips and pictures from our experiment for our unit study. If you missed my video on my unit study, that will be linked in the iCard up there. Our unit study is on plants, and I wanted to do this project for a very long time. So I decided to do it with our plant study. It was an experiment where we took flowers and food coloring and water, and we to test if the flowers will pull water from the color to their petals. And we did it for a week. And so I have clips of that, and I have pictures also of what the progress looked like. And it was so much fun. The colors on one of them changed within 30 minutes, probably even less than 30 minutes. And it was by far my favorite flower that changed colors. By far. Like, it was really cool. So I hope you enjoy this. And like I said, I have a lot of pictures. I think I have more pictures than I do footage, but I will share the footage and the pictures with you guys. I'm not going to go completely in depth with this because this is an experiment. So it's something that I encourage you guys to do as well and find your own results, or get your own results, because again, it's a science experiment. It's supposed to be fun. And then it goes with my science experiment printables that I will have linked in the description box below. But it is a scientific method printable where you can put your scientific method down. And I will say though that carnations are the way to go. White carnations are the best way to go. But if you want to do what we did, where we wanted to try a few daisies to see if they would pull color as well, do what you want to do, or any other white flower. But we used white carnations and a few white daisies to see if they would pull, and there was definitely a difference there. So we got to make a hypothesis on that, a hypothesis on whether the flowers will take on the color or not. So in all, it was a very fun science experiment for the kids, and it worked both for my 4th grader and my kindergartner. So it was fun. I enjoyed it. It was really cool watching the flowers change colors. It was so much fun. And Weston was super excited about it as well. So here are some clips of how it went down and some pictures. We are working on our flower color changing science experiment. Weston is filling out his scientific method sheet. So he drew what he thinks will happen to these flowers. We are using carnations and daisies.
It's oak.
Zoe is filling out her form. Hers is a little bit different than Weston's because she is older.
Write.
She's got to write instead of draw. So I will have these listed on my website so you can check them out. So right now we are putting color into our mason jars. And then we will put flowers in them.
It's actually orange.
It's supposed to be yellow.
Is owl 2 letters or 1 letter? 2.
Remember, you just learned that one.
It's actually orange anyways.
A.
Look at this.
No.
Owl.
Cool.
Oh yes. But which one?
Cool. Looks cool, Dad.
Second one.
Okay, so what color?
Okay.
What other colors do you want?
I
Which one
was
did
the
you
one,
split?
the one that you split.
Oh, so we
I
wanted
already
to.
got pink.
So we wanted to split
Oh, that's
one.
pink.
Yeah, that's pink. And
They
then
put blue. I wanted the pecan candy
have enough
pink
blue?
and then blue.
That looks
That looks like death though. That looks black.
Well, then I need another
pink.
jar so we can do one with the color in white so you can see.
blue turns into a light blue.
Now I'm excited to see how they turn out.
Maybe when they're
And then a
done, can we
control?
add them? Can we add some of them to mine?
Okay. Alright, so why are we doing this experiment?
Did I spell flowers?
I don't know.
What do you think we're doing it to see if the flowers will change colors? Yeah. So it would be to
And
see. I don't like this pencil. The color's already starting to pull, and it's only been maybe 20 minutes or so, maybe 30. But there's color pulling here, not so much here yet, maybe like right there, but that's about it. I don't think there's any here or here yet. Don't think the green's pulling yet, but the yellow is. You can see it right there on the tip.
The blue is.
And that blue, look at the blue, y'all. The daisy's pulling a little bit. I can't tell if it's pulling or if it's we touched it with ink or food coloring. But they're pulling, and it's only been like 30 minutes. Look at the ring around it.
What is that supposed to be?
What our flowers look like almost completely at day 2. This one is in black food coloring, and it's pulling beautifully. Look at that. Isn't that neat? This one's also in the black, and it is semi-pulling. That is cool. This one is in both blue and purple, but it is mainly pulling blue, but you can see the difference in the dark color on the other side. This one's sort of pulling, and this one's in the purple, and you can see it pulling in the middle. That's it. This one is in green. These two are in green, and it is pulling yellowish with a hint of green. And then this one is yellow, and this one's yellow and normal water.
yeah.
So you can tell the difference that 1/2 is in the normal water and 1/2 is in the color. This one is just our neutral. It's just in normal water. And this one is blue. So this is pulling beautifully as well. So is this little daisy. But the carnations are looking wonderful. They are pulling color really fast. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please go ahead and smash that thumbs up button so I know that you enjoyed it. And share this with your friends if you want to encourage them to do fun science experiments. And I will see you guys in my next video.